Hi guys, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel Almost Together. So today we are going to make Manchuria. So let's get started. Here we need cabbage, capsicum and carrot. Take cabbage and add carrot to it. Then add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Then add half teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. Then add salt as per your taste. Then mix it nicely. Add 3 spoons of corn flour and 3 spoons of rice flour to make it crispy and give it a nice mix. Take a spoon of mixture and roll it in your hands and make balls out of it. Make a lemon size of ball as here I make. Fry it in hot oil on medium flame. Check in between with a spoon or anything with which you are comfortable. After that, take it on a tissue paper when it turns into golden brown color. Then take a pan, add oil and garlic to it, and then add 3 to 4 teaspoon of chili. Then mix it and add a cup of onion. Give it a mix and then add a add 2 capsicums. Then make space in between to add our sauces. First add 2 spoons of soya sauce, dark soya sauce. Then add 2 spoons of ketchup. Then 2 spoons of green chili sauce. I use Ching's brand. And then red chili sauce. And then give it a nice mix. Take water and add 2 spoons of corn flour. Make sure that it has no lumps in between. Then add this water to our gravy and mix it. Add a spoon of pepper powder and mix it. Then add vegetable sauce. I add vegetable sauce. You can also add water. Then add some water, salt as per your taste. Then add fried Manchurian into it. Then mix it nicely. Then garnish it with fresh coriander leaves which are chopped, and hence it is your Manchurian ready. Plate it. You can also have it with green chili sauce or your ketchup. Thank you. Bye.